Are you struggling to close deals in a competitive market? You're not alone. Many sales teams face challenges when it comes to delivering effective demos. That's where Storylane Sandbox demos come in. Our instant, customizable demo environments empower you to showcase your app like never before. Experience immersive demos that streamline the buying process, leaving both buyers and sellers happy. Enjoy jaw-dropping demo experiences packed with user-friendly features. Our stable demo environment ensures no glitches or data surprises during your presentations. What makes us stand out? You can clone your app effortlessly, tailor data for each prospect, and enjoy seamless scaling with templates. Our global search ensures your demos remain relevant and up-to-date. Don't just take our word for it. Join the 4,000-plus sales and marketing teams who have transformed their demos and increased their close rates. Ready to elevate your sales process? Chat with our demo expert today and discover how to drive more revenue with Storylane.